Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Lloyd here, your boy, back here to show you guys a new way that we can take notes. And we're going to be taking notes on Pear Deck, but this time you guys are going to be on your own using the student pace function. So let's check it out. Oh, all right, loading up. So here is where we can see, well, this is what I normally see. What you guys are going to be seeing. Sorry, guys, I got a little bit of allergies and can't speak that well. That's why we're going to mainly do a recorded lesson today. And so this is the main thing that you're going to see when you first see it. The question is, how do we describe motion? So this should be playing as like a GIF, those type of things that move. But the cars would be moving, and how would you describe the motion that you see? And so you're going to put your answer inside of the response section for this one. All right, and then so here is where we get on to the actual bulk of what we're doing, which is the notes. So let's check out. I hope we can still see my screen. We're going to check out, what is this? OneNOte. So in your classes, I've set up a OneNOte for everybody, and they can click on their class notes, and they can begin writing their own class notes. So for instance, if I'm trying to get you ahead, I can actually copy some of these inside of your notes. So we would first write down our first note, which is about change in position. So I'll just start it out with 1D motion notes. And I'm sorry, Cameron Ambery, I'm right inside your section. So here you go. I'm giving you some free notes, free note games. So this triangle symbol is a symbol for change. So what you guys can do on your, I hope we can still see my screen. I'm going to check for a second. I'm going to stop recording. Sorry guys, my nose messed up and I'm sneezing. But the main slides that you're going to need to write down, I forgot to let you guys know that, are going to be these slides. Oh, so hold on. This slide. Not that one, not that one. This slide. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And this slide. So there are a total of 3 slides that you should write down inside of your team's notebook. Understood? Hope you have a great day. Don't do any bad stuff. So guys, continuing where we left off, talking about how do we describe position, and how we put this stuff into our notes on our computers. So I'm on a Mac right now, just so y'all can see my face, because my school computer has only the bottom camera working. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna go back into OneNote on Microsoft Teams. Let's do it. So I'm on one of my students' notes right now. This is our class notebook. So how I got there, I just went to the general section. So first, you have to be in that Teams tab, and then I'm going to go into my period. Sorry guys, I'm really messed up. So, how do you sneeze? You're going to go into the class notebook. You see this little section right here? Go ahead, click on class notebook. All right, so it shows you a bunch of different things. Let it load up. Then you're going to hit this little caret thingy, or the arrow thingy, so you can navigate throughout the notebook. Okay, so if you find your student name, you can find all the students that are inside the class, and even students that have been dropped. So then if you open up a tab, it might take a second to load, but like for instance, if I click on handouts, I can then type on the section that has handouts. Okay, class notes. I can then start typing my own class notes. And then the notes today are 1D motion, or one-dimensional motion, okay? And the first note that we're supposed to take is the triangle symbol is the symbol for change. Now, I could teach you guys how to make the triangle symbol inside of your computer, but I feel like an easier way would just be to show you guys how to draw on your computer. So let's use the pen tool, and we're just gonna draw out a triangle. That almost looks like a triangle, I think so. So this triangle symbol is the symbol for, and I'm just gonna type right here, oops, Where's my typing? Need to change my tool to be a typer. Am I typing yet? Oh, I need to get rid of this. There we go. Okay. So this is the symbol for change. Symbol for change. Ooh. And that's OneNOTE. And so you can click anywhere, and then you can actually make your notes in your own fluid way, which you like for yourself. So if you prefer to just keep typing, for instance, x equals displacement. Okay, and then you can keep going, just typing anywhere, basically, just like a regular notebook. All right, guys. So this is the function for OneNOTE and how we will use it today. So So the slides that you guys are gonna go to as students, you guys are gonna go all the way up to. You're gonna answer this question right here. So it's asking you, how do you describe position? And it says Mount Everest is at 8,848 meters above sea level. The base camp where most mountain climbers begin their trek is 5,150 meters above sea level. So what's the vertical distance between base camp and the peak? So it's asking us basically from this position, from here, what is the distance between this all the way to here? So what you would have to do is you'd have to have the height of this number and the height of this number and just simply subtract. So they gave that to us here. Okay, so you put that response in right here. If you really don't know the answer to this, I have a guided version. So you're going to put your answer here as well. Okay, sorry guys, I can't really speak that good. And then I have also a guided version right here if you're very confused and don't know how to get the answer. Okay, so we're going to go all the way to this slide. We'll stop right here at this slide for today, and that will be it. So just main things to take away is you're going to make sure that you have your graphing practice turned in, and then this is the notes for today. Okay. We need to make sure that we know how to use OneNOTE. Have a great day. Don't do any bad stuff. This is Mr. Lloyd signing out. Stop. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to, let's say you just finished your assignment. I'm going to be using a roster report as an example for an assignment. So let's say I edited this. Mr. Lloyd. Let's say I edited this, this roster report, and I needed to download it. So all you have to do is press download up here, and then it will ask you where it wants to locate to. I'm just going to put in my downloads. I'm just going to put number 2. Okay, now it's in my downloads. So what you do whenever you're uploading your let me get into it. Whenever you're uploading your graphing practice, all you have to do is click on the turning. You're going to press answer assignment. Then you're just going to simply drag and drop your answers into the bin and press submit. Don't forget that last step. Okay, well, that's it.